When it rained the other day, it got all these little spots on it.
Oh, really?
I just figured what the hell. Alright, here we go.
Look off. Elevons over there. That's the 4x4 Elevons.
It's a lot easier to see that it's not camouflage too. I like that. So? Nice! Nice! Do it again!
That was scary.
Wow!
I'm going to do a little bit of a high alpha. Yeah, that'd be cool.
What's a high alpha? Damn! Wow!
Stop that little power your way out of exit. Yeah, that is nice.
Nice. Nice going low.
Like that?
That's awesome. Jesus.
Wow. Start my timer, damn it.
Oh, dude, I know how long I've been recording. 3 minutes. You just scroll when you're going right by it?
No, dude, not that low with the wind anyway. No, I did notice with the bigger prop, it tends to, when you really gun it, it
Really goes?
no, it lifts up.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So you just have to nose it down?
Yeah.
That's funny.
It pitches up when you gun it with the bigger.
Nice. That's fucking awesome. Can you pass by real fast? Wow. Jesus.
Coming in for landing.
Coming in! The glide.
Watch out with the bench. Watch out, George.